to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been traveling around Australia for the last 2 years part-time. So to catch up on all our older episodes and new episodes in the future, make sure you go down the bottom and like and subscribe. I'm about to start getting tea on because it's going to take about 5 hours to cook. Now we can't have campfires here, and I'd love to do this recipe one day in the camp oven, but for now I brought the slow cooker, which is can be just as good also, which I'm going to plug in, and I'm going to be making a lasagna soup. Yes, I've seen it all over social media. I'm going to give it a go, and we'll tell you if it's worthwhile making. We'll head inside now, start the process in there, and then I don't know if I'm going to have the slow cooker outside or inside. We'll make that decision later. So pretty much most of this is just like doing your bolognese sauce, so you can do it how you want. But I'm just doing 500 grams of mince. I've got 1 onion and some garlic. I'm going to fry all that off, and then I'm going to pop it into the slow cooker. Ooh, look at my eyes, they're stinging from the onion. That just goes straight in to the slow cooker. Then all you need to do is throw in your 2 bottles of pasta sauce and 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Now I'm going to pop a little bit of beef stock in. What I've done is I've watered it, you know, got it watered down, and I'm just going to pop it in to all my containers to get all that leftover goodness out of them. So give them a rinse around, then go to the next one, and then do the same thing, and then do the jars also. And then in goes all that liquid. Don't tell Adam, but in goes the Italian mixed herbs. And then give that a stir through. And because I'm cooking it, I'm adding a little bit of chili. Again, don't tell Adam. 1 cup of water. Mix that through. Lid on. Then set on high for 4 hours. So I thought, since the weather's not too bad at the moment, I've thrown the slow cooker outside, and that's still on high, and I'll just leave it outside and let the neighbours guess what I'm cooking. So it's been on for 2 hours now, and it's starting to get really cold, so I just put my jacket on, and I've given it a stir, and it's looking quite nice. But the next step's the more exciting part. So all I'm doing is cutting into little bits like this. So they'll go in like that, little baby lasagna sheets. And so pretty much I'm just getting it on the chopping board, cutting it like this. So you can see in the long strip, and then once again, and that is ready to go inside our bolognese sauce. So now I'm going to take the lid off, and slowly I'm going to feed. You can see how runny this is, and then slowly I'm going to start dropping in the bits of pasta sheets. It's going to take me a little while. Just be patient with it. So just pop them in like that, break them up, mix them through, and then you're going to repeat that again and again and again until you get all your pasta sheets in. Now before I add the cheese, I'm just going to stir through another cup of water, because this is ultra thick now, and it really probably shouldn't be as, well, you can be thick, but it shouldn't be this thick. So yeah, that's better. All right, with the cheese, I'm just going to cut it up in nice big cubes, and then literally sprinkle it on top, let it melt, and then I'll stir it through in the hour's time once it's ready, once I think it's ready to serve. I think because we're doing this outside, we've lost a lot of heat, but now I'm just going in with my cheese. Just keep it all, try to keep it all separate. That's it, lid's on. Don't take that lid off for another hour. Because it is so cold, just to keep the heat in better, I've thrown a towel over the top, and hopefully this will keep the heat in. Twyla and I are hanging outside. She's got a blanket on. She's taken up the whole chair. I've got no chair to sit on. Hey Twyla, you doing that in the chair? Yes? And she can smell the food. Welcome to the King Dino's Adventures restaurant. Oh, wow. How often do we have the table out seriously to eat? Like, never.
A few times this weekend.
Well, yeah, this weekend, but we don't normally. But, yeah, and we can push it into the middle, but it's kind of to the side so I can get through. You want some pasta? You want some pasta? We are ready to dish up. Look how good this looks. Now, all you need to do... Now, I have not opened this since we put the cheese in. So we're just going to mix that through. Oh, wow. The whole thing started moving. Look at this. Oh, it really is a lasagna soup. Look at it. Looks so good. All right, let's dish it up. Look at this. Look how stringy it is. And then we're just going to pop our parmesan on. All right, so Adam, we've all been dying to find out what the verdict is on this because Adam being Italian, this is very sacrilegious.
It looks like it's a lazy man's lasagna. Just chuck it all in.
Yeah.
There's no thought about presentation or, having it ordered.
What do you think?
That's nice.
It's nice.
Well, do you want more?
I cooked it, so do you want to speak to me for the rest of the week? Okay, so for something that's meant to be a lasagna soup, if you want it to be more soupy, definitely add more water. I ended up adding an extra 2 cups of water to this, and it still didn't make it soupy. So, but I'm pretty happy with it. So romantic.
You have that picture. There you are.
Before we leave tonight, I thought I'd just remind you. Now, guys, if you're new to our channel, make sure you definitely go down the bottom and like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments you want us to answer, get down there and comment away, and we will definitely get back to you. All right, guys, until Sunday, we will see you at 5 p.m. See you guys.